Today I want to talk about styling product residue in your hair. Things like hairspray, gels, mousses that we put in all the time. Eventually, as it builds up, your hair gets limp and it just won't do what you want it to. And when you go to color it, it doesn't accept the color as well either. So today we're going to make a residue removing shampoo. Very simple. You're going to take some of your regular shampoo, whatever you like and you use normally, and put enough in that you would use normally when you're washing your hair. If you have short hair like me, that's not a lot. If you have long flowing hair, you're going to need more. Then we're going to add some baking soda and just put in enough to make kind of a paste, kind of like school glue. Then wherever you're washing your hair, you're going to simply wet your hair down really well and you're going to work this paste into your hair. Now rub it in good and then work it through the strands of hair so it removes all of that built up residue. When you're done, rinse. Your hair will be squeaky clean, and when you color, you'll be shocked at how beautifully your color comes out. So next time you're ready to color your hair, residue removing shampoo. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.